Hey everyone, Codex here. Today what we're gonna do is take a look at our beloved coin Chainlink and its current momentum so we can finally understand if this downtrend that we have been following for several months now will follow up in the second half of Q1 of this year, or if Chainlink is about to do the unexpected and start rallying. So if that's something you are interested in and you find these videos helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video and click on that bell icon so you get notified when I upload a new video. Also make sure to join our Telegram channel and let's get into this one. Now, as I said, Link has honestly been quite underwhelming in the last 8 months to say the least, especially for those that entered the market in the bullish phase back in the second half of Q1 of 2021, of Q1 of last year of course, when Link was doing quite well, and it's really not that difficult to understand the fear of those that got in here since the price is down almost 70% from its all-time high at 54 USD. And if you recall, back in December when we talked about Link, we say that January tends to be the month in which Chainlink performs exceptionally well, because that's what happened the last 4 times. And in fact, Link did go up 51% in the first 10 days of January, creating some hype around it. But we got rejected right here from our macro scale support that turned into resistance, and we also got rejected from this high volume node coming in at slightly less than 30 bucks, which sent us all the way down to 13.5 US dollars at some point. So the price couldn't manage to break above these two levels and we got a massive retracement. Another thing to note is that Link is currently below the bull market support band, which is by the way formed by the 21 weeks EMA and the 20 weeks SMA. And this is also another sign showing that Link is weak now. And look, since the crash we had back in March of 2020 to 1.35 USD, the price has literally been standing and holding strong above this bull market support band, creating new milestones and new all-time highs every single time. And although we did have some weeks below it, as you can see, we have had some weeks below the bull market support band, the momentum stayed overall strong until we fell below it right here. And the same thing is happening now. We are below the bull market support band, which is currently between 22 and 23.5 US dollars, and we can't really expect a rally, we can't really expect much from Chainlink, as I said, when we are below such levels. For me now, going above this bull market support band will be crucial. It will be the first thing to look out for within the next few weeks if we want to start having a decent run at least. Moving on to our Phoenix Ascending indicator on the weekly time frame to discuss what may happen in the next couple of weeks based on the momentum, we can see that the green line and the blue LSMA and also the red RSI are all below the level of 50. And if you have been following this channel for a while, you know what this means, that the momentum is still bearish. Bears still have control, and we had the exact same momentum in the last summer, of course. Look how the blue LSMA and red RSI were below the mid-yellow line, and the green line was also descending. And what we had right here was a continuous bearish trend. The same thing happened in here with the momentum and the price, of course. Then here again, and also here, as you can see. So whenever these three lines are going down, they are going to the downside and they are also below the level of 50, that means that the momentum is super bearish. The only thing that will indicate a shift in the trend and a strong upside rally is if our blue LSMA and red RSI can go up again. And look, back in this rally, look how high both lines were. They were constantly going up, playing as support, playing as bases, and so was the price. And the same thing happened in here. Blue LSMA and red RSI going up and holding strong, and the price just followed them. And that's what we need. And such momentum takes a whole lot of time to be created. So I don't see that happening anytime soon, if I'm being honest, unless some miracle chimes in. I'm a big fan of Link and what their project does, but in terms of price action, things don't look that great. I do think that Link is one of the best projects out there alongside to Harmony One, for example, INJ and Elrond, but the overall price action has been really underwhelming for a lot. And look, frankly, to have such a long-lasting bearish phase isn't that unusual, especially after going up non-stop from 18 cents to 54 bucks. I mean, who wouldn't sell after a 29,000% move to the upside? These bearish phases always happen after such moves. And we have seen this with Ethereum after the last bull run, where we had a prolonged bear market that lasted for over a year. So to conclude, the long-term momentum is still bearish for Link, as its price is stuck between these two massive nodes that offer both insanely strong support in here at the $10 to $12 range and also a strong resistance between the $22 to $27 level. And despite what a lot have been saying on how Link performs well in times where BTC performs poorly, which I in some way agree with, I think the time is now different after what I have seen. People have been waiting for an alt season for months now, but the alt price just keeps sliding down and people keep comparing the alt's performance to the 2018 bull run. Back in 2018, the crypto market cap was way smaller than now, and you had exchanges working with no KYC. You could literally open a Binance account, use any VPN back then within 3 minutes and put 500 bucks in any random alt and it will go up 500% within a week. But things are different now. You have to acknowledge this. Saying that 2022 and 2018 will be similar in terms of the price action and the alts will rally and that Link will do exceptionally well doesn't really make a whole lot of sense to me based on what we have. Of course, this is based on what I see. I mean, who wouldn't love an alt season? But to me, we are still in a bearish phase and this is still our accumulation phase, although the prices can still go down for Link. Thanks for sticking by till the end, guys. Don't forget to leave the video a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment if you feel comfortable doing that. Make sure to share the video and have a nice day.